नमस्कारम एंड वेलकम टू ऑल द ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज़। स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के एपिसोड में, जो कि है वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बजट फैंसी साड़ीज़ के बारे में। आई विल बी शोइंग यू मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ साड़ीज़ इन टुडेज कलेक्शन, सो इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू सिट बैक, रिलैक्स एंड प्लेस lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let me first show you the bright and beautiful saree that I'm wearing right now in yellow and green color. It's a matka silk saree which has florals and leaves jal on the body in gold zari, with added threadwork detailing in blue, green, pink colors, giving it a beautiful pop of color. And the border in green color has dollars and lines. And then we have intricate florals and leaves jal on gold zari with threadwork detailing too. Let's have a look at the beautiful pallu for this saree, which has floral brocade work in gold zari. And the saree has a gorgeous contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW607. Weaver's price is 5104, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to the next saree, ladies, please let me know what color sarees you want to see in today's episode. That way, I will be able to show you all of your favorite colors, and you can place your orders right away from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to next saree. Very beautiful sarees here in a very lovely color. This matka silk saree in mint green color has digitally printed florals and leaves jal on the body, along with the floral buttees which are in zari. We have two types of work on the body of the sari. The border has florals and leaves jal in zari. And here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work all over it, again in zari. The sari has a beautiful self blouse which digitally printed florals over it. So we have different types of florals on the blouse and the body. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ142. Weaver's price is 5920. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter in which part of the world you're sitting when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time. Moving on to the next one. Another lovely bright sarees here. This one is a classic combination of red with green, and let me now show you the body of the saree. It's a matka silk saree. Body has floral buttees and zari. We have beautiful gold zari work. And the florals are in pink and green color thread work. The border, which is in green color, has florals and leaves jal in lines in gold zari. And here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. Again, this is beautiful gold zari work. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse for the saree, which has curvy checks over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW892. Weaver's price is 5104, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous saree now from the budget fancy collection. Before that, ladies, let me tell you that please make sure to follow and subscribe us to Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we have amazing new collections of sarees at Weaver's prices. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends and fashion, and when you wear sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every function and festival that you attend. Moving on to the next saree. Another very lightweight saree, a gorgeous matka silk saree. It's a lightweight silk saree, and on the body we have digitally printed florals and leaves jal with floral buttees and silver zari. The border has florals and leaves jal again in zari. And the beautiful pallu, which has floral jal over it. You can see how intricate and detailed the work is in zari. And here's the gorgeous self blouse for the very gorgeous sari with our different type of print over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BR360. Weaver's price is 5,920 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari. This one is a very classy combination of grey with red. Let me show you the details right away. Moving on to the next gorgeous sari from today's episode about budget fancy saris. Wow, look at the beautiful sari with lovely work all over the body. This one is a fancy Banarsi sari. And on the body we have floral buttees and cross checks. All the work is in beautiful thread work, and you can see how vibrant the colors have been chosen on the grey color body, adding a beautiful pop of color. The border has florals and leaves jal and crossed lines along with the temples. You can see how beautiful and bright the colors have been chosen here are, along with the gold zari. And here is the pallu in red color, which has florals and leaves jal. We have gold zari kadi along with huge floral buttees. Very bright and colorful work is there. Let me now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse for this sari, which has buttees over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BU31. Weaver's price is 7,440. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next very beautiful sari. This one is a bright yellow color sari. Let's have a look at it. A beautiful yellow with pink color sari. Moving on to the body of this lovely Banarsi fancy sari. On the body we have all over florals and leaves. And we have the detailing in gold zari also, adding a lovely shine to the body. The border, which is in pink color, has cross lines and floral jal with temples. We also have munia buttees and diamonds. Very colorful work is there. Here is the pallu, which has floral buttees all over it along with the florals and leaves jal. There is gold zari over it. And the sari has a beautiful contrasting blouse which has floral buttees on it in gold zari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV81. Weaver's price is 7,440, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say hi, hello and namaste to our dear customer Miss Ragini ji, who is enjoying the episode, and I will keep telling you which sari I am showing from the fancy collection. Some are matka silk saris, some are Banarsi fancy saris, and some also are digitally printed fabric saris. Let me now show you the next one. Another lovely sari is here in a very beautiful color combination. Let's have a look at the details. This one is a sea green with pink color Banarsi fancy sari, and on the body we have floral buttees in zari. The gold zari work on the blue color looks extremely beautiful, and the border, which is in pink color, has crossed lines, temples, and on the gold zari kadi we have munia buttees with bright colors, florals and leaves jal too. Here's the pallu, which has florals and leaves jal over it. And a very beautiful and contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW881. Weaver's price is 8,560. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful sari, and this one is a very essential sari in everyone's wardrobe because it's a beautiful shade of pink. On this gorgeous pink color body of the sari, we have floral buttees in gold zari. And the border in green color has zigzag lines. We have cross lines in gold zari along with the peacocks and florals, which are in colorful thread work. Here's the gorgeous contrasting pallu, which has florals over it. We have beautiful gold zari kadi with peacocks and florals and leaves jal, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse which has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW890. Weaver's price is 4,928. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next saree, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about our collections and Weaver's prices too. Moving on. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. And I'm back to show you next beautiful saree in black color, a very classy, a very gorgeous saree. Let's have a look at the body of this black matka silk saree. We have all our florals and god motifs. So you can see that the florals and the god motifs have been digitally printed along with the florals and leaves jal in antique gold and copper zari. Gorgeous work all over the body. The border has paisleys. We have florals and leaves jal, florals and cross checks, and again small florals and leaves jal in antique zari. Here is the pallu, which has diamond brocade work all over it, along with the florals and leaves jal and paisleys here. And the saree is a very beautiful self blouse which has small motifs over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and just send it to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful saree now, and before that let me just say hi, hello and namaste to our very dear customer Miss Bhakshika ji, who is enjoying the episode, loving the collection. Please stay tuned till the end of this episode because I have many beautiful sarees to show to you. Moving on to the next one. Wow, such an elegant saree in grey color. And this one on the body has floral booties in silver zari. You can see that silver zari on grey looks extremely subtle yet very elegant. And the border has florals and leaves with diamonds and zari boxes in line in silver zari. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. And a lovely self blouse which has brocade work over it in silver zari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ110. Weaver's price is 5,280. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. This one was a gorgeous Kora sari, ladies, and I hope you love it and place the order soon too because the Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Let's now move on to next gorgeous sari from this fancy collection. Another very lovely sari is here in a beautiful color combination. Let's have a look at the details. On this matka silk sari in beige color, we have florals and leaves in curvy checks on the body. All this work has been digitally printed all over the body, and we have zigzag lines in gold zari on the border. Here's the pallu, which has huge peacocks and florals over it along with the zari lines in gold. And all this work has also been digitally printed on the sari. And let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse for this very beautiful sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ92. Weaver's price is 6,560. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say hello and namaste to Krishna ji, who is enjoying the episode. I hope you will stay till the end because I am going to show you amazing beautiful saris at Weaver's prices too. These saris are so affordable and you can see how beautiful and gorgeous they are. Please make sure to buy it for your friends and family too. Moving on to the next sari now. A gorgeous combination of color, and let me show you the details of this beautiful fancy sari. And this one is a Chinya silk sari. This beautiful sari is in mint green with peach color, and on the body we have self florals and leaves jal which have been digitally printed. Along with that we have floral buttis in champagne gold zari. Two types of work on this beautiful sari. Border in peach color has temples. Cross lines we have munia buttis, and then we have florals and leaves jal in a very pastel color palette, very beautiful design. Here's the contrasting pallu which has floral buttis over it in zari, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW886. Weaver's price is 6,160, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome Anupriya ji, who joined today's live. I'm so happy that you're here. You're back to watch our lovely lives and have a look at the beautiful collections too. Please stay tuned till the end of this episode, because today's collection is very unique. We have different types of saris in various price ranges too. Moving on to the next one now. Here's a gorgeous blue with pink color, fancy Banarsi sari, and the border has florals and diamonds in geometrical shapes this time. You can see the beautiful pattern that is there on the body. And the border in pink color has munyas and cross lines with diamonds. This work is in gold zari, and the munyas are in thread work, colorful thread work there. Here's the pallu which has zigzag lines over it. The pallu is in pink color. We also have diamonds and leaves jal in gold zari. And here's the very lovely contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BL132. Weaver's price is 4,640. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just ask our dear customer Miss Shweta ji, which sari did you like? Please let me know which color was it, so that I will try to keep that in mind and show you next saris in your favorite colors, so that you can place your orders right away from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next sari now. Another lovely sari from the lovely fancy collection. This one is a Kora sari, a very lightweight sari, and the body is in sea green color. It has self florals and leaves jal, digitally printed on the body, and then we have small floral buttis also in gold zari. The border in blue color has temples, polkas. We have zigzag lines in gold zari, and then we have florals and leaves jal too. Here is the pallu which has florals and diamonds over it. It's a beautiful contrasting pallu, and the sari has a gorgeous contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW878. Weaver's price is 5,440 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank dear customer Miss Lakshmi ji, who loved the sari that I'm wearing today. I feel extremely beautiful and gorgeous in this sari, and please make sure you're placing the order for your favorite sari right away, because the Weaver's prices, they are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next sari now. A very elegant sari, I must say. This one is in cream color, and on the body of the sari we have florals and leaves jal digitally printed all over the body. We also have floral buttis in gold zari, and the border, which is in mehndi green color, has floral jal and diamonds. Floral jal is very colorful, and this one is a matka silk sari. On the pallu we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari along with the diamonds. We have zari boxes and lines and temples too. And let me now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse for this one, which has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT 721 Weavers price is 6,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, I hope you're enjoying today's episode because I am totally loving today's collection because these sarees are so lightweight, they suit every person of every age, and I am sure that you're loving the colors and price ranges too. Please stay tuned till the end of this episode because I have many more gorgeous sarees to show to you. Moving on to the next one. Here's such a beautiful blue with lime yellow color saree. And this one is a chinia silk saree. Body has floral buttees in silver zari, and you can see that the floral buttees are in thread work, blue, pink and green, looking very gorgeous on blue color body. Here's the border in lime yellow color which has floral jal over it. On the gold zari cross lines, we also have small diamonds in lines. And here's the pallu which has florals and leaves jal over it. Beautiful gold zari work looking very subtle on yellow. And here's the gorgeous contrasting blouse which has floral buttees over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW883. Weavers price is 5,104. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just thank Miss Nisha ji, who totally loved the collection, who totally loved the tissue pattu saree that she purchased from Varamahalakshmi Silks. I'm so glad that you love the design, the quality and the delivery timing too. I'm so excited to have you here and today's live, and please make sure you're shopping from today's collection also, because since you already have a nice pattu saree, you need to have some fancy sarees too. Moving on to the next one now. Have a look at this gorgeous color and let me show you the body of this matka silk saree. This one is in lavender color and we have digitally printed florals all over the body. There are floral buttees also and they are in champagne gold zari on the body, while the border, which is in wine color, has diamonds in colorful thread work. There are cross lines in silver zari and then florals and leaves jal in a very bright color palette. Here is the pallu which has floral brocade work over it in silver zari. So we have florals and cross checks. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT762. Weavers price is 6,160. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just thank Shilpa ji, who's loving the sarees. Please let me know which color you specifically liked. I will definitely try to show you more such sarees in our upcoming episodes also. Moving on to the next one now. Another very beautiful sarees here. Such an artistic piece. Very lovely saree. Beautiful design. This one is a very statement piece saree for all the people who like unique designs. So this one is in matka silk and we have multi-color work. On the body, we have all over florals and prints design. You can see they look like different photo frames, different pieces of art. We have a cow with florals here. We have lotuses. We have birds here. Beautiful design all over the body. And then we have floral buttees in copper zari also. Here's the border which has floral and leaves jal with florals in boxes. And then we have florals and leaves jal in copper zari again. Here is the pallu of the saree, which has floral brocade work over it in copper zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ85. Weavers price is 10,960. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next gorgeous saree, and this one is going to be a matka silk saree. Let's have a look at this beautiful peach color saree. Beautiful color, isn't it, ladies? Moving on to the body, which has florals and leaves jal over it, printed beautifully along with the floral buttees in silver zari. Here's the border, which has florals and leaves jal over it in zari, and here is the pallu, which has florals and leaves jal again in silver zari. Let me now show you the beautiful self blouse for this sari, which also has prints over it. And to place the order for this one, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari now from the fancy collection, where we are showing you different types of saris. Before that, ladies, let me tell you that Miss Lakshmi, that you wanted to buy a beautiful Gadwal Pattu sari, and since today's episode is going to be about beautiful fancy saris, all you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you the perfect sari for you that you would definitely love and buy from us. So please make sure you are taking the appointment right away and buying your lovely sari. Moving on to the next one now. Here's a gorgeous sari in grey color. It's a Kora sari, and on the body we have floral buttees in silver zari. The border has paisleys, we have diamonds and lines, and then we have floral buttees with curvy lines. All this work is in silver zari, which looks very gorgeous on the grey color. And here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it, again in silver zari. We have a contrasting blouse for the sari in beige color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is. You just need to take the screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Moving on to next sari now. Before that, let me just send a lot of love to our dear customer, Miss Sasmita ji, who's sending a lot of love and support our way. Thank you so much. Please stay updated and please keep watching our lives every single day to have a look at beautiful collections of saris. Moving on to the next one now. A gorgeous combination of green with red, and let's have a look at the body. The body has floral buttees in gold zari. Very small, delicate floral buttees are there, and the border in red color has small polkas in gold zari with floral buttees, which are very geometrical in pink and green thread work. And then we have floral buttees in zari boxes. The pallu for this one has leaf brocade work over it. And we have a very gorgeous contrasting blouse with brocade work on it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW880. Weaver's prices 5104, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Lakshmi ji, who's loving the blouse that I'm wearing today. Thank you so much, first of all. And the blouse is by R for Rupamani. You can directly buy the blouses from us when you buy a beautiful sari from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Please do check out the collection that is called R for Rupamani. Moving on to the next beautiful sari now in sea green color from the fancy collection. Extremely affordable, easy to wear, and very lovely saris. This one is a Kora sari which has floral buttees and zari. There is silver zari work all over the body, which is adding a lovely shine to the body. And the border has floral buttees with diamonds and zari boxes in lines. Here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. And a very beautiful self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ114. Weaver's prices 5280. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a dear customer, Miss Nisha ji, who wants to see beautiful, affordable kalamkari saris. So since today's episode is about fancy saris, I will be able to show you saris that have kalamkari work printed over it. So that will be digital print, and you will love the saris because they are very affordable and in amazing designs and colors too. So please stay tuned till the end of this episode because I have many lovely saris just for you. Moving on to the next one now. Here's a lovely sari, and this one is a fancy Banarsi sari. On the body we have floral buttees in gold zari. And the border, which has Pathani style work over it, has temples on the edge. We have gold zari kadi. Along with that, we have munia buttis in lines, florals and leaves jal with peacocks and parrots, and very bright and lovely work is there. Here's the pallu, which has flower vases with peacocks and parrots. Again, we have Paithani style work over it. Very beautiful design is there. And let's have a look at the self blouse for this gorgeous fancy Banarsi sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW882. Weaver's price is 6,680. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to next elegant sari, ladies, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow BML on Facebook and stay updated about our collections, weavers' prices, and everyday videos too. Moving on.
సో కాంచీపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్స్లో షాపింగ్ సూపర్గా ఉందండి. మీరు కూడా ఎప్పటికప్పుడు అప్డేట్స్ చూసే ఉంటుంటారు. ఒకవేళ మీరు కనుక అప్డేట్స్ మిస్ అయి ఉంటే తప్పకుండా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. కంచి విఎంఎల్ సిల్క్స్ వీటి అప్డేట్స్ అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ గురించి ఎప్పటికప్పుడు ఉంటూ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. సో దట్ యూ కెన్ నెవర్ మిస్. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. And I'm back, ladies, and I'm going to answer a query by Miss Nisha ji. So this one is a beautiful sari that you might consider because this one is in mehendi green color and it has kalamkari motifs printed over it. So this sari gives you a beautiful feel, visual feel of kalamkari sari. On the body of this one, we have florals and leaves jal printed. It's a matka sari, matka silk sari, and on the body we have zari lines too. The border has florals and cross checks in gold zari. And here's the pallu, which has zari lines over it in gold zari again. Let me show you the self blouse for this gorgeous mehendi green sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW871. Weaver's price is 6,072. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank Mopriya ji, who's loving the collection. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please keep enjoying our life till the end, and I will show you many such beautiful saris. Moving on to the next one. Another beautiful sari, and let me show you the details right away. On the body of this matka silk sari, we have florals and leaves in geometrical shapes all over the body. Lovely digital printed work is there, and the border has zigzag lines in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has brocade work over it, and we have huge peacocks printed along with the gold zari lines. And the sari has a lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ94. Weaver's price is 6,560. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome Miss Abhilasha ji, who has joined our live today. Thank you so much for being here as usual, as every day. So glad to have you as a very dear customer, and thank you for loving the sari that I'm wearing right now. Please make sure to order for the sari within 24 hours so that you can avail to the weaver's prices too. Moving on to the next one. A gorgeous chinya silk sari is here, and this one is in blue and magenta color. Let me show you the details. On the body, we have floral buttis in gold zari, and the petals of the flowers are in different thread works. Very colorful florals are there. And the border in magenta color has temples in gold zari, floral buttis, and then we have florals here in gold zari again. Here's the pallu, which has floral buttis over it. We have beautiful floral brocade work and colorful floral buttis, huge floral buttis, and a lovely contrasting blouse which has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW872, Weaver's prices 4,928. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just thank our very dear customer, Miss Savita ji, who's also loving the collection. I also totally love the collection. The sarees are very lightweight, easy to carry, and totally affordable too. Let me now show you many more beautiful sarees. Miss Nisha ji, I think another lovely saree for you, because this one also has the visual feel of a kalamkari saree. It's a Kora saree, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal digitally printed along with the floral buttees in gold zari. It's a light yellow color body. The border in green color has diamonds. We have cross lines in gold zari, and then florals and leaves jal in pink, green and yellow color, orange color thread work. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work all over it in gold zari. We have floral brocade work and a beautiful contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW898. Weaver's prices 5,440. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful saree. This one is a gorgeous emerald green color chenia silk saree. The body of this one has florals and paisleys buttees in gold zari. The paisleys detailing is in colorful thread work, adding a lovely pop of color. And the border, which is in mauve color, has floral buttees with cross lines in gold zari. We also have small polkas there. Let me show you the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. Beautiful gold zari work is there. We also have diamonds in lines and a gorgeous contrasting blouse with brocade florals on it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW879. Weaver's price is 4,928. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful saree, another saree that Miss Nisha might love. The color is very pretty, so I think you should definitely consider this beautiful saree, giving a visual feel of kalamkari. On the body, we have florals and leaves jal printed, and on the border we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Beautiful antique zari work is there. Here is the pallu, which has huge peacocks and florals with cross lines. And the saree has a lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ999. Weaver's price is 9,200. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear customers, let me tell you that if you want to see any specific saree which is not available in today's collection, you can take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you the proper collection, the colors and in various price ranges too that you want to see. So what are you waiting for? Take your appointment right away and have a look at gorgeous sarees too. Moving on to the next one now. This one is a beautiful light yellow with green color Kora saree, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal printed along with small floral buttees in gold zari. Here's the border in green color, which has florals and cross checks in gold zari, and the florals are in colorful threads. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it, again in gold zari along with the small diamonds and lines. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse, which has cross checks in gold zari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW867. Weaver's price is 5,440. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, ladies, let me just tell you that since so many of you are loving the saree that I'm wearing right now, I will definitely share the details of my saree one more time at the end of the episode. So please make sure you are staying tuned till the end of this episode to have a look at the details of the gorgeous saree that I'm wearing right now. Moving on to the next one. Wow, look at the beautiful color combination. Let me show you the details of this one. It's a Kora saree, and the body has a very marble look effect. It's in bluish greenish color. We have floral buttees printed on the body with floral buttees in silver zari too. The border in yellow color has small polkas and lines. We have cross lines in silver zari with florals and leaves jal in a very beautiful color palette. Here's the pallu which has floral brocade work over it in silver zari. You can see that silver zari is contrasting beautifully with the yellow color, and here's the contrasting blouse in yellow color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW877. Weaver's price is 5,440. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Moving on to the next beautiful sari. This one is a gorgeous shade of green. Let me show you the details. Another lovely sari from the Kora collection, and this one has florals and leaves jal printed on the body digitally along with the floral booties which are in gold zari. Border is in magenta color and it has florals and leaves jal over it. On the gold zari cross lines and small diamonds also. And let me show you the pallu which has floral brocade work on it in gold zari too. The sari has a beautiful contrasting blouse in magenta color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW876. Weaver's price is 5,440. You need to send a screenshot to 890001 0002. Moving on to next beautiful sari. This one is also a Kora sari in light yellow and red color. On the body of this sari, we have florals and leaves jal digitally printed. And the border in red color has temples, and we have florals and leaves jal in cross lines and gold zari. Very intricate, very beautiful work is there. Here is the pallu which has floral jal and zigzag lines. We also have temples, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse which has drop booties on it in gold zari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW869. Weaver's price is 5,632. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Coming up next is a very gorgeous, very artistic matka silk sari. Let me show you the details. Another statement piece sari. And on the body of this one, we have digitally printed florals. We have beautifully paintings digitally printed on the body along with the floral booties which are in antique zari. Here's the border which has florals and leaves jal and cross checks in antique zari. And let me now show you the pallu which has floral booties and zari checks. The sari has a beautiful contrasting blouse which has zari lines over it. And to place an order for this beige matka silk sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ83. Weaver's price is 10,960. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Let's move on to the next beautiful sari. This one is in blue with yellow color, and let me show you the details. Wow, gorgeous color combination. And this grey and yellow color matka silk sari has florals and leaves jal printed on the body along with the zari checks in silver zari. Here's the border in yellow color which has temples on the edge, and then we have small kadi and zari lines in gold. The contrasting pallu has kadi over it in silver zari. And a gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ84. Weaver's price is 9,200. You need to send a screenshot to 890001 0002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say a very heartfelt thanks to Miss Suchitra ji, a very dear customer who is loving the episode and the way I'm presenting the sari. Thank you so much for your lovely comment. And also I will definitely try to show you more digitally printed floral saris which have more zari work border on them. The next sari would be one of your favorites, I think. It's a very elegant sari in light mehendi green color. On the body of this one, we have digitally printed florals and leaves jal, along with the peacock butties which are in circles. You can see the beautiful color palette. We have a lot of pinks and blues along with beige color. And the border has florals and cross checks in gold zari. The pallu has huge peacocks and florals with zari lines. Beautiful digital printed work is there, gold zari lines are there, and let me also show you the beautiful self blouse for this very beautiful sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BR358. Weaver's prices 5,520 rupees. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Ms. Suchitra ji, I hope I was able to show you one beautiful sari, and I will show you many such lovely saris. So please stay tuned till the end of this episode. Also, I would like to thank Ms. Rani ji for loving my look today. Thank you so much. I'm wearing this beautiful sari from Varamahalakshmi Silks, which is definitely bringing out the beauty in me. Please make sure to buy this lovely sari from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Now moving on to the next sari. Before moving on to the next sari, ladies, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections, weavers' prices and daily episodes about saris too. Moving on. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. This one is a lovely Kora sari in grey and yellow color, and let me show you the details. On the body of this one, we have digitally printed florals and leaves jal and small floral butties in gold zari. Lovely work is there, don't you think, ladies? The color combination is also very nice. Border, which is in lime yellow color, has cross lines in gold zari, and we have florals and leaves jal. And there's a lovely color palette. Very bright colors have been used, such as pink and orange with green. Here is the pallu, which has florals and zigzag lines over it. And let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse, which has small floral butties on it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW893. Weaver's price is 5,120 rupees. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So now, ladies, the next sari is very personal favorite color of mine, and let me show you this gorgeous peach color sari. Let's have a look at it. Don't you think this sari is very feminine? It's very delicate, very lovely, isn't it? It's a Kora sari in peach color, which has self florals digitally printed on the body, and then we have thread work detailing too. So we are florals and leaves jal in thread work all over the body in peach color, light pink color. Border has florals and sequins and thread work. Gorgeous work, ladies. Beautiful sari. And here's the pallu. It's a running style pallu. Also, you can see the edge of the border. We have a beautiful wavy design here. The sari has a lovely self blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW873. Weaver's prices 10,880. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next gorgeous sari now. This one is a lovely Kora sari in grey and green color. On the body of this beautiful sari, we have floral butties digitally printed along with the small floral butties in gold zari. And the border in emerald green color has lotuses. We have geometrical florals and lines. And we have a repetition of work here. Then we have a florals and leaves jal and small florals and cross checks in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it in gold zari. And the sari has a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW899. Weaver's price is 5,632. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next upcoming sari is a beautiful Madka silk sari. So let me show you the details right away. Gorgeous and lightweight sari, very elegant color also. On the body, we have florals and leaves jal digitally printed. And we have floral butties and silver zari too on the body. It's a beautiful cream color sari. The border has florals and leaves jal and zari. The pallu has florals and leaves jal over it again. Let me now show you the self blouse for this sari, which has different type of florals on it printed. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BR361. Weaver's price is 5,920. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is another very beautiful statement piece, matka silk sari. Let me show you the details. Gorgeous sari with beautiful work on it. So we have lovely paintings printed over the body digitally, and then we have floral buttis in copper zari too, all over the body. Beautiful artistic work is there. The border has florals and cross checks, and then we have florals and leaves jal. Here's the pallu, which has florals and leaves jal and florals in cross checks brocade work in copper zari. Let me show you the beautiful contrasting blouse for the sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ87. Weaver's price is 10,960. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next gorgeous sari. This one is a very beautiful green with pink color chiniya silk sari. Let's have a look at the details. On the body of the sari, we have floral buttis in gold zari with threadwork detailing in lavender, orange and blue color along with pink color. Beautiful color palette. Here's the border in pink color, which has florals and leaves jal with paisleys and zigzag lines too in gold zari and red threadwork. Maroon color threadwork is there. Here is the pallu, which has florals and paisleys jal over it in gold zari with added threadwork detailing for a lovely pop of color, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse with brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW889. Weaver's price is 5,016. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next sari, a lovely matka silk sari in beautiful color combination. Let me show you the details of this right away. It's a blue color sari. On the body, we have geometrical shapes in pink, mustard, green and wine color, and we have florals inside them digitally printed. It's a multicolor sari, as you can see. Border has zigzag lines in gold zari. Pallu has huge peacocks over it, which has been digitally printed along with the zari lines in gold. The sari has a beautiful contrasting blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW895. Weaver's price 6,560. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear beautiful ladies, I hope you're enjoying today's episode about lovely fancy saris. As you can already see, I'm trying to show you so many variations and various price ranges too. So please make sure you're placing your orders within 24 hours because the Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next one. A lovely blush pink color saris here, one of my favorite colors again. And on the body of this beautiful Kora sari, we have floral buttis in zari. Silver zari is looking very gorgeous on the body, and the border has paisleys, diamonds and floral buttis with wavy lines in silver zari. Here's the pallu, which has diamond brocade work over it. And the sari has such a lovely contrasting blouse in grey color, which has florals and silver zari all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW874. Weaver's price is 5,280. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari, and this one is a beautiful Kora sari. Such a lightweight sari with lovely feminine design over it. It's in grey color, and we have florals digitally printed on the body, florals with leaves jal. And the border is very lovely. We have florals and leaves jal in thread work. Also we have temples. So we have off-white color thread work and beautiful crochet work on the border of the sari. Here's the pallu, which has floral jal and thread work. We have a running style pallu for this sari. And the sari has a very beautiful self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BO810. Weaver's price is 6,400. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful sari from today's fancy collection. Another very beautiful sari. Such a lovely color combination. On the body of this beautiful sari, which is from the matka silk, we have self florals and leaves jal printed all over the body in such a lovely color palette. It's not overpowering the beige color body, looking very subtle, very beautiful. And then we have floral buttees in gold sari on the body. Gold and silver zari work is there. The border is in dark grey color. We have temples, polkas and lines. Polkas in boxes, there are cross lines, we have florals, we have diamonds, and we have florals and leaves jal, and all this beautiful work is in silver zari. So very gorgeous sari, ladies, very elegant one. Here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it in silver zari, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse which also has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW870. Weaver's price is 6,000. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, now that we are done with these gorgeous saris, I will be showing you the saris that are draped on the mannequin so that you can have a look and understand how beautiful you will look when you drape it on yourself. Moving on to the first one. This lovely sari is a matka silk sari. And on the body we have florals and leaves jal printed with floral buttees in gold zari. It's a gorgeous grey sari from the matka silk collection. Border has floral jal and cross lines over it. And the pallu has florals and zigzag lines. There's a contrasting blouse for the sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW885. Weaver's price is 6,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Here's the next sari. This one is in sea green color, and it's a lovely kora sari. On the body we have digitally printed florals and leaves jal along with the floral buttees in gold zari. And the border, which is in blue color, has florals and leaves jal on cross lines, and there are small diamonds in lines too. This work is in gold zari with colorful threadwork detailing. Our pallu has florals and diamonds over it, and there's a lovely contrasting blouse in blue color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW878. Weaver's price is 5,440. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's take blessings from the Divine Goddess before moving on to the next gorgeous sari from today's fancy collection. This one is a multicolor sari. And on the body we have so many different colors, lines. We have maroon, green, mustard, yellow, brown. And it's a matka silk sari. There are self lines on the body. The border has small kadi with zari lines. We have gold zari kadi with silver zari lines. And the pallu has zari lines over it again. We have a contrasting blouse in pink color. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW891. Weaver's price is 9,328. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari. This one has such beautiful ombre effect between pastel peach and yellow color. And on the body we have floral buttees in silver zari. The border has florals and leaves jal over it along with the cross lines. And the pallu has zigzag lines over it. We have a beautiful contrasting blouse. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Since so many of the beautiful ladies today like the sari that I'm wearing, I totally love it too. The color combination is amazing. The fabric is so good. It's falling very beautifully. Let me show you the details right away. So this one is a lime yellow with green color matka silk sari, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal. The border has florals and leaves jal in gold zari kadi. We have colorful thread work, and then we have dollars and lines in gold zari. The pallu for the sari has floral brocade work over it. And there's a contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order for this gorgeous saree, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW607. Weaver's price is 5,104 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear beautiful ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode because I love presenting such lovely sarees to all of you. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Also keep showing us lot of love and lot of support. Namaskaram.
సో కాంచీపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్స్లో షాపింగ్ సూపర్గా ఉందండి. మీరు కూడా ఎప్పటికప్పుడు అప్డేట్స్ చూసే ఉంటుంటారు. ఒకవేళ మీరు కనుక అప్డేట్స్ మిస్ అయి ఉంటే తప్పకుండా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. కంచి విఎంఎల్ సిల్క్స్ వీటి అప్డేట్స్ అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ గురించి ఎప్పటికప్పుడు ఉంటూ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. సో దట్ యూ కెన్ నెవర్ మిస్. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.